Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your search history on YouTube app. Very easy, very simple. Let's launch the YouTube app first. Then I want you to click on the lower right corner where you see your profile picture. Then I want you to go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now I want you to scroll down to the section that is called Manage All History. When you click on it, you will find that you have plenty of different data that was collected from YouTube. It was not just the search history. So if you click on saving your YouTube history on the first option, you will find out that YouTube actually gives you an option to turn on or off, keeping the history of videos that you have watched, keeping the history of your search queries on the actual YouTube search bar. And also YouTube will allow you, if you want, of course, to save your voice and audio activity using the platform. Also, you have an option for auto deletion. So for example, if you click over here, choose auto delete option, essentially you can set a time frame in which or after which you will get your automatically deleted your YouTube history. For example, you have a time frame in the ranges between 3 months and 36 months. So when you actually set this up, you will have nothing to worry about, because after this time frame expires, YouTube will automatically delete your YouTube history. But like I mentioned, this is simply not what we all looking for, because if we go back over here and click on manage all history, you will find that there is a different type of making this happen. So if you scroll down, you will see a small calendar icon on the top left corner over here. So here you can simply go by the day, by the month, or by the year and find the exact search queries that you want to delete from your search history. You can customize the process very easy, very simple, as you can see over here. Also, there is another option in which essentially you can scroll down and you can simply click X on each of your search queries by date, and you can simply delete whatever you like to do. Very easy, very simple. There's no special skills required to do that. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.